In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to Pakistan using Wise. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you have all the information you need to complete this process seamlessly. Let's get started. To begin with, navigate to the Wise homepage. You can do this by simply typing wise.com into your web browser. Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, is a reputable platform known for its user-friendly interface and efficient services, making it a breeze to handle international money transfers. Once on the homepage, look towards the top of the page and click on the Send button. This option is your gateway to initiating the money transfer process. Right after clicking, you'll be directed to a new page where you'll be entering the details of your transfer. You'll now see a field labeled Country. Here you'll need to type in Pakistan. Typing the country helps Wise tailor the rate and payment methods available for your specific transfer. Once typed, click on Pakistan from the drop-down list to confirm your choice. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the amount you wish to send. Here, ensure you inaccurately type the correct number, as this will automatically update the calculation of fees and total cost. Take a moment to review the currency conversion rates and any associated fees shown. With the amount set, find and click the Add Recipient option. It's important to note that the recipient does not need to have a Wise account to receive funds. The platform provides flexibility in methods of delivery. In the subsequent window, tap on See All Options and select Pay by Email. This choice allows your transaction to be directed to the recipient's email, further simplifying the process. You'll then be asked to choose the recipient type from the options provided. Select Someone Else as you are sending money to a different individual. Afterward, go ahead and type in the recipient's email address. Ensure it is correctly spelled, as this is where the transfer link will be sent. Following this, key in the full name of the recipient to ensure there are no hiccups later on. With these details filled in, press Continue. Here, you'll need to specify the reason for your transfer. Selecting the correct purpose helps Wise process the transaction under the necessary compliance regulations. Click Select an option to enter this information, then hit Continue. For security purposes, you may be asked to provide your place of birth. This information assists in verifying your identity on their platform. Once filled in, click Continue to advance. Before finalizing the transfer, take a moment to review all the details listed. These include amounts and recipient information. After double-checking, click on Continue to Instructions and follow any additional prompts. Finally, you'll decide between sending money immediately or later. For now, select I'll transfer my money later. This gives you the flexibility to complete the bank transfer at your convenience. And there you have it. You're well on your way to completing a successful money transfer to Pakistan through Wise. Remember, each step of the way, the Wise platform aims to provide clarity and simplicity, allowing you to send money effortlessly and securely.